Hi dear friends, how are you? This is Tariqul Islam comes again with a new episode of my continuous parenting series. You know that in parenting series I always try to discuss different issues related with parenting, and I have segregated my parenting series in some parts, as I am now on part 8 where I am discussing about the issues that is related with your child when he is on the professional level. When they start their profession, on that time what should be your techniques, what should be your attitude and approach to them as a guardian, that is I will discuss in this part, and this is the second episode of this part. Today I will discuss about another important thing, that is giving mental support to your child. At first, we have to understand the importance of mental support on that stage of life for every person. Whenever a child start their professional life, on that time they feel different type of difficulties, as they have transmitted from one life to another life, as student life to profession life. There are a far difference in their lifestyle, and there are many other things. Their surroundings has been changed, environment has been changed, working load has been changed, and their lifestyle also has been changed. Due to these changes, a lot of people not enjoy it. Most of the person not enjoy it and face different type of difficulties, and that's why sometimes they become frustrated, sometimes they become worried, sometimes they become anxious about their present condition and as well as about their future condition. So as a guardian, you have to give them proper support, mentally proper support due to overcome this critical situation and go forward. Now the question is, how will you give support them in that stage? At first you have to identify either they are feeling such type of problem that I have mentioned or not. If they don't feel such type of problem, you have to keep your attention that either they will face or not. You have to keep attention that either they are enjoying their job sector or not, either they are clear about their future vision or not. And if you find that they are facing such type of problems that I have discussed, on that time you have to identify their problem, that why they are not enjoying their present condition. Either it is external factor or internal factor. If it is internal factor, that means the problem is on his own, like he is not a very communicative person, but he have to communicate many other persons in office or business. It is his internal problem. Or there may have some external problems, like his boss is not a very well-mannered person, or his job environment is not nice, or there are a lot of external problems like political problems, or job area problem, or there is not enough facility of salary and other benefits. It may be external problem. So you have to find that either it is internal problem or external problem. If you find that it is internal problem, then it is very easy that you have to counsel your child. How can he overcome his problems? At first you have to point out his problem, that is the point you have to change, you have to develop, you have to be skilled in that point, and then you will help them, guide them that how they will overcome this problem. Like if they don't have enough communication skill, you will guide them to read some motivational book that may increase their confidence and communication skill, or watch some video, or may have some training related with it. And if you find that the problem is external, then it is actually major problem. On that time, sometimes some situations are not our control, but we can minimize our problem by taking some measure. Like if his office boss is not perfect, well mannered, giving extra pressure, or not behaving well, if you find such type of problem, you may guide your child that you create your extraordinary something distinction in the office that without you the office will not run, will not work properly. So your boss will need you, then he will give you priority or and honor. Or if you find that the distance is very much and that's why he have make journey a long drive every day to go to the office and come return back to the home, then you may change your residence in to minimize the distance, or you may suggest him to stay around his office in a quarter or bachelor house. And if the problems are other, you will give some other solutions, but you have to discuss with them and motivate with them, because this is the one of the most critical time for every person that their career has been started. So if you give them proper support, then only they will be able to overcome this problem and be successful in their future life. So thank you very much for watching this video. I believe that you have some idea from this video, and if you apply it, you will be benefited in your personal life. So today I am finishing my video. I am welcoming you to subscribe my channel and watch other videos related with parenting that I have posted and I will post in future. Thank you very much. Bye.